Hi, I'm Mike Mannis, and I want to give you a little bit of an overview what happens when you have a new personal injury case motor vehicle. So you've been in an accident, you've contacted us as your lawyers, and you're going to go through medical treatment to get better and to document the injuries that you have. It's important that you stay on schedule with all the doctor's orders, physical therapy, any x-rays, MRI, consultations, whatever it may be. This is the evidence in your case, and it's so important that you follow through to get better, to get the treatment that you need, and generate the records that we need to get you full and fair compensation for your injuries. So you'll go through treatment. When you have questions about getting your car fixed, other questions about the life of the case, you call us. Call us or send us a text. We are here to help you and to provide answers to a situation that is very familiar to us, but not very familiar to you. There are a lot of twists and turns, and we want to make sure that you understand everything that is necessary along the way, answer any questions you may have, and guide you through this bad experience that you sure did not expect. So, you finish up your treatment, we'll find out about that, we'll get your bills and records, from the ambulance if you took one, from the emergency room if you went there, urgent care, and follow-up care. If you have lost wages, if you miss time from work, it's important that that is documented. Either a boss or a supervisor, or if you're self-employed yourself, fill out the form. Let us know exactly the days that you missed and the amount of money that either you weren't paid, or even if you've taken sick pay or vacation pay, you've lost something. You can't use that in the future, so you've lost it now. Document that. If it's half days in order to go to physical therapy, document that. Get us the dates. We want to make sure, again, that we've got all the details on damages in your claim. Photos of your car, very important. Insurance companies very often look to the amount of damage and they'll say, well, it was pretty bad. We know that we owe more money on this case. Or if it's really light, well, we're going to argue with them over the fact that you were hurt even though there's light damage to the car. But either way, we need those photos and we need a copy of the estimate or the paid bill showing exactly what was done to fix your car and how much it cost to do that. So now we're going to collect all the bills and records, the photographs, all evidence, and put that into a presentable package for the insurance company. It goes to them. They're going to start to look at the bills and especially the records. And they're going to ask me or my office questions. Where is this missing document? What does this mean? We don't like this. We do like this. Anyway, it's going to be back and forth for a while, and it usually takes them about 30 days in the average case to get through the bills and the records and to be ready to discuss a settlement in the case. Look, the bottom line, I get asked this all the time, how much is my case worth? Well, there are two distinct and different values to the case. One is the amount of the settlement itself, but more important is the amount after paying all the medical bills that are due. And after paying the attorney's fee and the costs that have been incurred to get records and bills and police report, the net amount, how much is going to be in your pocket. What's in your pocket is going to be tax-free money, so it goes further. No taxes. It's government law. This is the law. No taxes on personal injury settlements, with some very rare exceptions. So we're going to work on getting a fair offer for your case and present that to you, and either keep going with the insurance company or get your case settled. At that point, there'll be some papers to sign. There'll be a distribution, a settlement statement that shows where every single penny of your settlement dollars go. And again, I invite you along the way. Ask us questions, text us questions. I want you to know everything. It's your case, not ours. Your case. And every case is a little bit different, but there certainly are similarities in cases. I've been doing this for a long time, and I've seen just about everything and guiding through to get to the best result in a reasonably fast amount of time without cutting corners. That's my aim. So, again, ask us questions, be in touch. Whatever the question is, big, small, or in the middle, we are here to answer it for you. And I want to make sure that you understand exactly what's going on with your claim, personal service. That's our aim here. Thanks so much.